Given that S equals to 2 pi r into r plus h, show that h equals to x over 2 pi r minus r. Solution. We have S equals to 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. The first thing for us to do here is to expand the bracket. S equals to what? 2 pi r times r. What will you have? 2 pi r squared. Now 2 pi r multiplying h also. What are we going to have? We have 2 pi r h. Don't forget we want to show that h is equal to s divided by 2 pi r minus r. Simply means we should make h the subject of the formula such that our result will be in this form. Now, for us to make h the subject, we need to transfer this to this side because this side does not involve, this particular term does not involve h at all. So we can transfer this to this side. So we have x minus 2 pi r squared equals to what? 2 pi r h. So from here, for us to make h the subject, we need to divide both sides by the coefficient of h. What is the coefficient of h here? 2 pi r. Dividing both sides by 2 pi r, dividing both sides by 2 pi r, we have 2 pi rh divided by 2 pi r. Now 2 pi r here 1, 2 pi r here 1. Now we need to split this. Splitting what we have here, what are we going to have? We know that if you recall very well, when you have, recall, a minus b divided by c is the same thing as what? This a divided by c minus, what do we have here? This b also divided by c. They have the same denominator. Then you can combine both to have this one back. So that's it. So we can split it using that principle now. We have x divided by what? 2 pi r minus 2 pi r squared divided by 2 pi r equals to h. Then what do we have? 2 pi here 1, 2 pi here 1. R here 1, r in r squared we have r. So what are we having left? So it means that x divided by 2 pi r minus r equals to h. We can now conclude that h equals to x divided by 2 pi r minus r, which is the same thing as the given relationship that we have to show. Thank you.